Hello everyone, my name is Alex and welcome to our first product tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create your first mockup in just a couple of minutes using Dynamic Mockups. So the first step here is to actually have a Dynamic Mockups account. So you can go to dynamicmockups.com and get your free account set up. And once you log in, you're going to have a display that looks something like this. So there are a couple options here, but I'm just going to stick it with the easiest one for today. We want to create our first mockup. So how do we do that? We go here and click create, and we have a couple of options here, guys. The first one is search public library, which is our newest feature, and we're going to use this one for today, but you can also upload your custom Photoshop template if you already have one. If we click to search public library, it will open up a search bar similar to like Google, and you can type in your desired mockup description. You have a couple of presets here, but you can essentially put anything, and we'll make sure to bring you the most relevant results from our library. So for the sake of the video, I'm just going to pick coffee mug on a table close up, and it's going to pull up all different mugs and designs that we have here. As you can see, there are lots of them, but let's just pick this mug view, whatever. When we click to it, it's gonna take us straight to this page where we can actually upload our artwork and export our finished product, aka a mockup. So if I click here, add your artwork, it's gonna have a couple of different mockups here that I already uploaded, but you can also click upload your artwork up here in the right corner and add your custom artwork there. I have uploaded some of the ChatGPT artworks that I created earlier. You can see Harry Potter is very excited to create these mockups. So yeah, we can click to select and then add artwork. You wait just a couple of seconds and our software will automatically display your artwork on the print area. We have now something different here on the left. Essentially, we have this smart object area which you can play around with your print area and move around your artwork so it fits however you want the final artwork to look like on the product. And you can always come back and select center to move it back to the center alignment, which I like in this case. But you can play with it. You have lots of custom options here below the smart object area. You can also make a pattern and select how much you want that pattern to be. So if I click here and make it 100%, it's gonna fill out all the space with your mockup. This could be cool for lots of different designs, so I encourage you to play with it. For the sake of the video, I'm going to move back to just the regular artwork here. And that's essentially for this page, but you can also play with other different things, like colors, for example. You can add this mug in lots of different colors, let's say blue one, and you can also put your hex codes here if you have a brand colors that you need to respect, which is what a lot of our users are doing. So let's just pick this green color as well. This looks not too good, but this is just the sake of the tutorial. You also have adjustments. So if you're a bit more advanced, you can play with these adjustments here, like vibrance, contrast, brightness. You can just move these scales left and right and actually have some different, swag, some different uniqueness to your products. I also encourage you to play around with it if you're a bit more advanced, but also if you're just starting out, don't be afraid to try different things. We also have this thing called Trustblind AI. You can enable it to essentially have a better warping around curves and things that are not as straight line like this for this mug, for example. So it's not a good example for that. But if you upload something like a t-shirt or pants, then definitely try to use Trustblind AI. It will make your design stand out and make it really, really good. So when you're finished, when you have all the different variations that you want to export, you have a couple of different options here at the top. You have store ready export, so you can actually export this to your Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify stores. It will cost you credits though, because you will export all of your variations that you created. You have custom export as well, so you can pick different formats, sizes, and also choose which variants you want to download. On your free accounts, you only have an option to download one by one, but if you want to use our bulk mockup experts, I encourage you to go and explore our pro plan. You can also have an Etsy store integration, so you can connect to your Etsy store and just have them exported to your Etsy listings as soon as you're happy with your artwork. So that's it for today's tutorial. It is very simple and easy to create mockups with Dynamic Mockups. So I encourage you to go to dynamicmockups.com and sign up for a free account, explore our features, and write to us on any social media or below in the comments if you need any help with setting this up. That's it. Peace.